All right, guys, so what's up? Not much. Still wrapping up kind of the ins and outs on this project. I think we're coming to an end. We really ain't got too much left to do under the hood. We really just got to throw on like basically intake manifold, throttle body, intake, drop the battery, probably either over here or I might do it in the trunk. I don't know yet. I'm still waiting on, I think, the terminals to come in. Other than that, though, we're kind of wrapping it up as far as like getting the parts on. You know, we got the suspension on, we got, you know, the car's looking good on the outside, it's sitting good, the engine's in, everything's pretty much plugged up. I still gotta get the engine harness on over there, but it's really just like engine harness, intake manifold, throttle body. That's kind of really much it, and kind of the water hoses on the back for the heat. Other than that, we're kind of wrapping up front. I'm gonna put the front end on today, so we're gonna throw in some new headlights, and then also I need some bolt-on suggestions from you guys, because you guys at first said off-the-shelf parts, and then some people were leaning to custom parts, but you know, it really depends on what you guys want to do, because we can either do custom parts or we can do some off-the-shelf parts that I got in like a trade, because actually I brought another RSX that's outside, and I'm parting that one out, and that one's actually got some good bolt-ons on it we could just throw on this car because they're free. So I might do that. I might get some new ones. It's kind of up to you guys on what you guys want to see with the build. I'm really open. It doesn't matter. It's just a YouTube car to me. So it's really whatever's in the comments is what will go on. So, all right. So I guess, let's go ahead and check the headlights out. All right. So here are headlights. We got ugly and fresh. Okay. So we'll probably go ahead and throw the black ones in here. I really like the black ones on this car because it looks perfect, but these ones don't. So what we got to do is these ones, I just pulled these off like a couple weeks ago before we did the swap, but the only thing is we got to take the brackets off these out at the bottom. There's one bolt on the bottom right there. Take that bolt off. That'll swap these brackets over. And then actually the bulbs are still in this thing too. Yep. Bulbs are still in this one. You got to transfer the bulbs over because I don't think this one comes with bulbs. No, it doesn't. Yeah, so you got to take these little stickers off, and you got to take the rubber things over. Those have to transfer over too. So let's go ahead and take the bulbs out, take the rubber pieces off, and let's go ahead and transfer the other bracket, I guess the mounting bracket, over, and let's go ahead and throw these on. So got the bulb swapped over, got our bracket swapped over. We got to go ahead and mount this thing up here. Yeah, the only question I had is, I know I swapped a bulb into here. I thought this was supposed to be amber, but I see it's not amber on that one, so I'm not sure. So I guess the only thing is I think maybe this is a running light or something. I'm not too sure, or because I thought these are the turn signals. Maybe this is the turn signal. I don't know. One of those are the turn signals. I don't know. I'm not an 0204 guy. Maybe you 0204 RSX people will chime in. I'm 0506, you know, I'm better than you guys, right? Who knows? But actually, yeah, this is more JDM anyway. I like the 0204s, don't hate. But yeah, so I think I might either delete this. I don't know if it's the turn signal, because I don't want this on, like the kind of yellow light. If this is the turn signal, I don't know. One of them. We'll figure out when we got the car on. But got the brackets on. Let's go ahead and get this over here. So the only spots your headlight bolts in is right there. Right there. And then we got one up here and one of these. I think this one. Yeah, that one. Other than that, let's go ahead and drop it on. 4 bolts and it should be in. Ooh la la. That looks good. I got the car on the ground too. I adjusted the coilovers a little bit. They were a little high. I don't know what you guys think about that wheel gap. I think that's pretty functional wheel gap. I mean, it's probably about hand thing, maybe about finger and a half, 1.5 finger. That's kind of functional wheel gap. I didn't want to go too low because you got to remember these are 16s, so the car is like literally on the ground. So I'm trying to at least stay kind of functional with this. I don't want to go like too low and then be like, you know, stance kid. So I might go down like another turn on the coilover, maybe just like a couple, but I don't want to go too much lower though. I think that's pretty good. But what the video here for, the headlights are in, looks kind of good. So I guess let's go ahead and let's throw the other side on there and let's see how it looks. All right, do the passenger side on. Don't look too bad. Do the bumper on too, just to give it kind of like a fit up, see how it looks. Kind of like it. Looks pretty good. Let's check the other side out. Nah, not too bad. Not too bad. I thought the bumper was going to be a lot lower. So actually, yeah, we might drop this thing some more. Because I was looking at that, and that kind of looked like a lot. Because we still got, you know, that's a lot. Look at all that bumper space. We got to get a little lower. I thought it was going to be a little higher than that. But I don't know. Looks pretty good with the headlights. Not too mad about it for sure. So I guess we might throw the front lip on. Let's see if we can get that. Okay, so we got the front lip on. Man, this thing was a pain to get on. Okay, but it's on there. It's only held in with like one screw. I kind of like it, but now the only problem is I don't know if I'm feeling these wheels. You know, they're the RX-7 wheels with the R888s. I don't know, guys. So I guess the thing is, I got another set of wheels upstairs. I'm gonna go grab those to see if you guys like this on the car better. I dropped the car a little bit lower on the coils just to kind of cover up the wheel gap, and it's still a little bit of wheel gap with the 16s. I got some 17s upstairs, so I'm gonna go grab those and see if we can throw those on the car with the lip to see if it looks any better. So let me go grab those. All right, so this is the car with the 17s in the front lip. These are the, I guess, Integra Type R wheels. They're pretty clean. I didn't want to put these on here because this, I don't know, it's kind of just a street car, and we all know white wheels are a pain to keep clean. But I guess you guys can let me know how you feel about the white wheels on it. I don't like the black lip, but we're going to paint the lip obviously, but this is just kind of in the black versus white wheels on the car just to kind of see what you guys like better. Yeah, so we're probably going to paint that, and I have the spoiler on the back too. That's just sitting up there just to kind of get a look to kind of see how I like things. I'm not too sure, so I guess we could either do black wheels or these, but see, these are 17s, and so 17s look a little bit better than the 16s. I'll give you that, but at the same time, how do you guys feel with the white on the silver versus the black on the silver? So we still got some work to do. I'm not too sure on wheels yet. I don't know. They look nice though. Nice Type R's. I guess. I don't know. We'll see. So I guess just let me know in the comments what you think below. Either white wheels, black wheels, either or. I'm not too sure. But yeah, who knows what we're doing next video. So I don't know. Guess we'll keep it rolling on the project. Later.